My name is Tina Bear, and if you are new to our channel, I don't know sign language. It's like I'm a cheerleader. If you are new, give me a T, give me an I, give me an N, give me a...
Are we ready? Are we ready? In 3, in 2, and quiet on the set, and
Quiet on set! Hi, and welcome back to Bear Food Kitchen. My name is Tina Bear, and if you are new to our channel, hit the subscribe button, like, comment, leave us a little message. We'd love to hear from you. We respond to all of our comments. Today we are making easy minestrone soup in the Instapot. Super easy for a cozy meal if it's cold outside, for lunch. It's just delicious. If you're having a group of people, this will feed a group. Super easy. We're just going to dump it in, cook it for 7 minutes, gobble it up. First thing we're going to do is we are going to turn the Instapot on to saute. And we are going to add some onions. This is 1 small red onion. And we are going to add zucchini. This is 2 zucchinis chopped up. Everything is about the same size. Celery, zucchini. It's a really hearty dish, and it's more or less a pantry dish because we all have carrots and celery in our refrigerator. And I don't know about you, but I stock my pantry full of canned beans. So if I want to whip up some chili or a yummy minestrone soup, I could do it in 7 minutes. So basically, we're just dumping everything in. Just like that. I have a ton of garlic. I got a ton. I gotta get it. Ton of garlic. That's right. Oh, there you go. Get all the garlic out. Oh, set this aside. This is fire roasted tomatoes. You know, you could use fresh tomatoes, but the tomatoes in the can are just delicious. So use your favorite tomato. I have fire roasted. Give that a zhuzh. And then we have some white beans and some Italian seasoning. Now, if you don't have Italian seasoning, you could use thyme, rosemary, oregano, and make your own homemade Italian seasoning. I also have 1 whole fennel bulb. I love fennel. It's delicious. It tastes kind of like black licorice, but when you cook it, it all melts in. So don't think you're just eating plain black licorice. But I love it. Fresh green beans. Pour them in. Now to add a little bit of yummy smokiness flavor, these are green chilies that are cooked. I love that flavor in the minestrone. We're going to add a little pinch of salt, not too much, and black pepper. I love black pepper. Then we're going to add a little bit of water. And 4 cups of vegetable stock. For all my vegan friends out there, So I could tell it still needs the rest of the water. I kind of was eyeballing it because I don't want it to go too high. And then little baby penne. These are so cute. Just add those in. Ooh. All of them, add all of them in there. And then we're just gonna get the pasta under the liquid. So good. Now, of course, we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna put the lid on. I'm gonna cook it for 7 minutes. Let it naturally release for 10, because you don't want all the steam to spew out when you take out the rest of the pressure. Then we're gonna add some kale in here. I'm gonna serve it up. It's gonna be so delicious. You're gonna wanna come over and have some with me. I went ahead and let it rest and naturally release for 10 minutes. Then I went ahead and did a quick release for the rest of the pressure because it's very hot. The more liquid you have in your pot, the more steam you're gonna have. And then the awe factor. Whoa. And look at that. What? What? You say, why aren't you here right now? I have enough to feed everyone. This looks amazing. So I'm just stirring it a little bit to get some of the beans and I'm splashing a little bit. Get the beans out. I have some kale. We're gonna put some green back in. I'm gonna pack it. I know, but we have to have it. You have to have it. So good. Then it wilts down. Then I put some more. And if you weren't looking, I'd put some more. Just like that. Shake it in. Oh my gosh. I would serve this with a big loaf of crusty bread and some Parmesan for people who like Parmesan on their minestrone. I do. Oh, look at that. Does that look delicious? We got a bowl. Serve some of this deliciousness up. Oh my gosh. I wish you could smell it. Look at that. Move that out of the way. Can you see it? Can you see it? Now, you can put some sweet potato in here. I've done that. So good. I have fennel prawns that I like to garnish it with because I do like that freshness. You could also use parsley. Wow, you see that? It's so hot. The pasta is cooked perfectly. So good. So delicious. Makes you feel like you're eating something healthy, fresh. You want to cozy up with somebody. It's so good. I hope you like this recipe. Let me know what you think. Subscribe, like, comment. Let us know how you are. See us on Twitter and Instagram. Have a great day. Be kind to each other. We'll see you next time.